Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle, Sudoku with 4 stars. In this additional of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's Friday, January the 19th, 2024. Already saw one puzzle, 3 stars to Sudoku. We have 3 puzzles left, the binary, Jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested, the 4 stars Sudoku here. 4 stars Sudoku number. This will be number. Let me zoom this. 7832. Yeah, 7832. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one, 24 printed digits. Yeah, it's a 4 stars puzzle. It's an indication of the difficulty level. The printed digits, the less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But it's indicated with 4 stars. For a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. This is really a 4 stars puzzle. We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 3 2s, 3 3s, 2 4s, 2 5s, 2 6s, 3 7s, 3 8s, and 2 9s. So it's divided. So will be difficult. Oh no, we have 4 3s. Can I start with 3? That's the question. Well. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this middle row, so no 3 in this box. We have 3 in the last column, so no 3 in that box. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 3 in the middle row, so the row below. Only 3 places left, and 3 should be here, or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 in the third column, no 3 there. Only place left for the 3 should be there. So now we have 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then, let me see. Here, in this big square, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 3 of those missing numbers are the 7, the 2, and the 9. We have 7, the 2, and the 9 in this column. So no 7, 2, and a 9 in these 3 boxes. 7, 2, and a 9 goes in those 3 boxes as a pair. 7, 2, and a 9, 7, 2, and a 9, 7, 2, and a 9. And look, we have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in that box. So the 7 could be here, could be there. So 2 and a 9 could be everywhere here. Oh no, we have a 9 again in this column, so no 9 there. 9 goes together with the 7 as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 2 here. The other 3 missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6. And look, we have 1 and the 3 in the last row, so no 1 and 3 in this box. 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. Alright, and now 1, 1. Okay. 3 in this column. 3 in one of those two boxes in the middle column. So the column next to only 3 place left. 1, 3 should be here, or there. We have 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 in the second row, no 3 there. Only place left for the 3 should be there. Then. Yeah. Yeah. Well, 4, 5, 8, and 6. Ay. Need to think. Come on. 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column, only 3 place level 6 should be here, or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 in the last row, no 6 there. Only place level 6 should be there. Yeah. 6. Cannot continue with the 6 now. Need to wait. How about? Yeah. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. We have 8 in this row, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 8 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 place level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the first row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the third row. 8 in the first row, so the row between the second row, only 2 place level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place level 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so the row between the middle row. Only 2 place level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 place level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 8. We have 8 now in this row, so this box can be 8 or more. That box should be an 8. Alright. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. We have 5 in this row, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 in that box. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. 5. Alright, cannot continue with the 5 now. How about 6, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6 is missing. 4 and 6, 4 and 6. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the middle column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. And the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 missing numbers in this column. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. And the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2. Oh, no. We already have a 3. The 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square, other numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. How about the 6 in this row, the 6 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place level is 6, should be there. 6. 1 box left in the middle row for number 1. One of the missing number in this big square is number 1. We have a 1 in the last column, so no 1 there. So the 1 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 box left now in the last column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 and the 5, we have a 4 now in the first row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. Then do we have all the 8s? Let me check. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. How about? Yeah. Well, the 6s then. Nope. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. Let me see. The 2. Need a 2 here. Well. Need a 2. Yeah. 9. Need a 9 here. 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column, so the column between the second column. Only 2 places left, 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. Then. Yeah. Now I cannot continue with 1. How about 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place level 3 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 1 and the 3. We have a 3 now in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 3. Alright. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next on that column. Only 2 places left, 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the 7, we have a 1 now in the third row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 7 goes there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 1. Okay, and now 7 and then. Well. 9, 7. Need a 2 here. 2. 2. Come on. 2, 4, and 7. I believe I'm stuck here. Need a 4 here. Yep. 4 in this column. 4 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square form. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. Yeah, let me mark those. Need a 4 here. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in this column. Third column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 4 goes there. 9. Okay. Then. 7 needed 2. About the 6 then, need a 6 here. Let's see. This is a 3, I believe. The 2. Cannot do anything here with the 2. 2 and 7. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this column, third column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 and a 6, we have a 2 now in the third row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 6 goes there. Do we have all the 2s? No. No. 2 and a 9. Oh, overlook this 2. 2 and a 9. We have a 2 now in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 9 goes there. 9 and 7. We have a 9 now in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and 4. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 2. Right, and now 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and a 5. Here also 7 and 5, okay. How about these 2 missing numbers? Oh wait, 1 number left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, yeah. So we have a 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1 box left in this third row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in the first row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. And 7 and a 5. We have a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 7 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. And the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finished in 70 minutes. Wow. 70 minutes. Is this really a 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. So I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it to solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.